In this lesson, we will construct a triangle with a perimeter of 120 millimeters and sides in the ratio 2:4:3. Using the T-square, draw a horizontal construction line. Toward the left, mark the first point A. Using the aim ruler, set the engineering compass to the given perimeter of 120 millimeters. With A as center, step off point B. The distance AB equals the perimeter, 120 millimeters. From point A, draw an auxiliary line AL at any convenient angle. Add the given ratio. 2 + 4 + 3 gives 9 equal parts. Using a convenient compass distance, step off 9 equal divisions along the auxiliary line and number them 1 to 9. Join point 9 to B. Place the long edge of the 30, 60, 90 set square along line 9B and rest the aim ruler against its sliding edge. Keeping the ruler fixed, slide the set square until the edge passes through point 6 and draw a line parallel to 9B to meet AB at Y. Slide the set square again, and through point 2 draw a line parallel to 9B to meet AB at R. The base AB is now divided in the ratio 2:4:3. With Y as center and radius YB, swing an arc upward toward the left. With R as center and radius RA, swing an arc to intersect the previous arc at Q, the third vertex. Join R to Q. Join Y to Q. Outline RY, YQ, and QR. Triangle RYQ is the required triangle. The sides are in the ratio 2:4:3, and together they equal the perimeter of 120 millimeters. Triangle RYQ therefore satisfies the given conditions.